Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share Fiverr gig on LinkedIn. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Fiverr application. Once you've done that, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. And here you can see different options. You simply need to scroll and here you need to click on share gigs and click on share gig. Once you are on that page, click on more options and here you need to scroll to the end and here you can see the LinkedIn private message or LinkedIn share in a post. So you can share it as a post or you can share your Fiverr gig as a private message. So this is a process by which you can share your Fiverr gig on LinkedIn. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.